Hello, today I'm in Kia Rio. In this video I'll show you how to enable and use cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this mode button. Simply press it once to enable cruise control. You can see that cruise control is enabled by this icon right here. Now accelerate to desired speed and tilt this button on the right side downwards to activate cruise control. Now you can increase the speed by pressing press plus button, decrease it by pressing set minus button, pause it by pressing this O button, and disable it by pressing mode button again twice. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.